Okay, hi, I'm Dr. Elliott. I just wanted to say a few words about hormone replacement therapy. I've been on hormone replacement therapy for about 15 years. For the first 14 years, I was on testosterone cream as well as thyroid supplements and similar things. About a year ago, I changed to testosterone pellets, which are the pellets that are inserted under the skin of your buttock or tummy about every 4 months and give you an even blood level the entire time. What happened was that I had had 3 different anti-snoring procedures over the last 40 years, none of which were completely effective. After I first had the testosterone pellets installed, my wife immediately commented after a week or so had gone by that I had quit snoring. We don't know exactly what the mechanism of this is, but it is probable that the testosterone makes the muscles of your nasopharynx stronger, and that's why the snoring goes away. So I couldn't be happier. Everything is great with the hormones, and I certainly endorse it.